Next, we have another kind of uncomposed music. Very much quieter, but also strongly
We all live in an material world. She's a technological girl. We all live in a material world. She's a technological girl. She likes chatting, sex, and two-way texting. Millennium style, MySpace profile. She like to broadcast YouTube, hello world. You probably downloaded this girl. Hey yo, so I'm alone late at night, nobody in the house. Turn the webcam on, hand stroke it on the mouth. She's so active, she internet actress. She not with the screen acting skill. You get real technological girl in this material world. Like furnace, rent the boost, mobile, and the next channel. But the girl is sailor. She don't stick to no plan. She a prepaid for dollars. She don't need no man. She got every CD by Beyonce. Holla at your boy P. I can be a Jay-Z. No baby, I rep from RC. My he's big clarity like lazy surgery. She was on the browser. She found my profile, downloaded my sound, said she liked my style. I accept you as a friend. Now we can IM MySpace, your place, Yahoo Map, and make it happen. We live in a material world, and she's a technological girl. We all live in a material world, and she's a technological girl. She likes chatting, sex, and two-way texting, millennium style, MySpace profile. She like to broadcast on YouTube, hello world. You probably downloaded this girl.
I got the iPhone, not the Disney phone. This ain't the Disney Channel, dog. I spit hot tones. High school girls won't leave me alone, but I dig the college chicks. They all funny on recap because they grown man. So is my contact list. I need a new plan. I need more minutes. I need more time. Girls call me up. They always wanna hear me rhyme. I got the iBook for y'all to take a look. See me on YouTube, Sunfire Hot Dude. They leave me comments, they say I'm so cool. I make it look so easy, but dog, stay in school. Now your girl feeling me like she ain't feeling you. I stay fresh, smelling fresh like I'm brand new. Feel fitted, true religions and some Nike shoes. Future alienation, young Zulu.
We all live in a material world, and she's a technological girl. We all live in a material world, and she's a technological girl. She likes chatting, sex, and two-way texting, millennium style, MySpace profile. She like to broadcast on YouTube, hello world. You probably downloaded this girl.